AS Smart Soldering Station S08 officially launched. 80W rated power, stable output. 2.8-inch IPS HD screen. Display the temperature and power in real time. The system settings are clear at a glance. Multi-level backlight adjustment. Both the strong and dark light are clear. Compatible with T210, M1, M3 3 sets of memory buttons. Switch temperature shortcut channels in one touch. Comes standard with multi-function standby holder. Enable the handle entering standby mode once touching the socket. Safe and energy saving. Only 0.69 kilograms ultra-light body, equivalent to 1 bottle of water. Portable for carrying out. The top is equipped with a power display light bar, which exudes a strong sense of technology. Both curve and digital interface display. Master data accurately. Support to upgrade functions via USB. Optimize the software continuously. Unlimited functions expansion. Never out of date. AS Smart Soldering Station S08 officially launched.